Where we're going to be talking about legendary artists, gospel artists.
You are mon pasteur, Obina Loga danser à Nyoka Longo Boy.
Vous voulez que j'arrête ça, mais je vais arrêter ça.
Non, c'est bon. On y a qu'une église.
Bisognoso.
Tiki tiki tima.
Yeah, take me, Jesus.
Bonjour, bonsoir et bienvenue à la liste Top 5. Vous êtes revenus encore pour nous voir et on est vraiment plaisir pour te voir aussi. I am Sylvia Kay. We have our amazing panelists and today, of course, we have another topic that we are going to bring to you guys. It's going to be definitely entertaining. You're definitely going to laugh. You might have questions and we are willing to answer them. But most importantly, we are willing to hear your views on what the top 5 will be. Okay, so today, guys, we are going to be discussing importance. This is something that was brought up before. They said, oh, na bota mikana ndaku babeta kakaba louange. Oh, na bota mikana ndaku babeta kakaba adoration. Ka lundi, dimanche à dimanche, ka biloka nzambi, nzambi de ram kundi abiso. They complained, they said. So we said, you know what? We're going to bring you something. We're definitely going to bring you something. And today we're going to be talking about gospel artists. We got a list. It has been given to the panelists. We are going to deliberate about it. But one thing I need to let you guys know at home, and also to our panelists, is we're talking about gospel artists, not legendary gospel artists. Please differentiate the two. We are talking about gospel artists that are current right now, not legendary gospel artists that have the gospel artists that we know today have come from. But who am I going to be talking about it with? No other than our amazing panelist to my right-hand side. You guys already know him. He's controversial. He's entertaining. Asikisakabiso. He's always got something to say. Si yo lo bi I'll pesa yo de. Si yo lo bi de, I'll pesa yo sote. A komi pena ze. Izaka G-Boy de London.
Bumba na bama ne klika na bama na Budum. Le musicien Pumba.
Listen, and then we also have the lady of the hour on the right-hand side. She's in caramel. She is caramel. She's got great vocals. She is Mademoiselle Carmen. Yes, we also have no other than Mr. Panda. Panda. How you doing today, Mr. Panda?
I'm good. Man, a pasteur, so this is
Okay.
shout pops though.
There's
Shout
some
pops.
people not want a pastel,
Do you
but
know
they're still
what, yeah?
gonna look at you.
Do you know what? Do you know what?
Yeah.
Do you know what?
You guys need to stop it, man.
Hold on.
First of all, I'm a
One
good
second.
boy.
Let's 1 second.
You are mon pasteur, Obina Loga danser à Nyoka Longo Boy. Obina Zaiko. Vraiment, on a
It came from
All
the
right,
English.
guys. If you guys have been watching us long enough, you would have seen.
C'est comme que Balulayo. C'est comme que Balulayo.
I'm not even going to get into it. To our left-hand side, we are going to go into, because we have the beautiful lady. Listen, she's beautiful in and out. Okay, she's got an amazing personality. She brightens up the room. Elle est l'amour. Elle est l'amour. Elle est l'amour.
Of course.
Love, how are you today?
I'm okay.
Oh,
I'm
listen.
good. I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm a child of God, by the way.
Are you child-
I'm not one up pastor, but I'm a child of God.
Okay.
Rooted.
Oh, better. Alright. And then on the left-hand side as well, we have no other than Mr. Rarity himself. But let me tell you about Mr. Rarity. Or even about one a bit of an église. Boke
Ok, banabango.
Boke banabango. Oh, mutu abetaka bass. Okolela. Guitare. Hey! Zambe. Balé saka bango babasi ebele.
Te meya za sérieux ye ana fatata ka fasne nengeza vraiment.
Surtout.
Donc après ça là.
Si abetaka ba drum. Mes mamans, mes filles, mes chéries, mes cocottes, s'il te plaît, laissez-le tranquille. Mais ici, il est très talentueux. Il s'appelle Mr. Rarity.
I don't agree, mais merci.
Toujours humble quoi, vraiment quoi, de boumba bam ne kika na mama ne boudou.
And we also have no other than the beautiful lady herself. She's got all the tits, she's got all the juice, she's got everything that you need in regards to how you present yourself as a woman. She is Shani London. Shani London, how are you? Are you ready? Are you ready? Quick question before we start, yeah? Nanya kinaka English out.
I'm not gonna lie. It's been a while. I work on a Sunday. It's techie still. I work on a Sunday, but I pray at home. Before I go to sleep, you get me? Mom, this will do.
Mais dimanche na mercredi ozawapi. Dimanche na mercredi ozawapi.
Ozaka païen le roi bisoka.
Te Zelanan, ngana kende église Te ngana kende église.
All right, so
Jus de pomme.
guys, we are gonna go straight into it. We have given them a list of gospel artists that they need to think about. These gospel artists are making moves within our community. They're making moves in the world. They are amazing Congolese artists. You guys already know, the panelists already know the rules. You lot have 2 minutes on the clock. And your 2 minutes starts now. Let's go.
No, I think she's alright.
He is bigger than him though.
No, but then
Listen, he's not on the list.
Na éviter wa papa vraiment atayo moko.
Number 5.
Na dimate na na mboko na ya poto pona ye.
tout concentré.
Oh, allez.
Tout concentré tout.
No, Michel Bakenda. I can't say
Achaye, ya, très important. Abeta moi kokolotof molotov ya bien.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pens down, quiet.
No,
please.
please, 10 more seconds.
No, pens down. Okay. Seeing as you lot had a lot you wanted extra seconds, you guys go first.
Ah! That's so evil, bro. Okay, let's go.
Pasteur ko.
Non, t'inquiète. Les enfants, t'inquiète.
Le bac gros.
Ok, na route église dimanche te maman.
Vous voulez que j'arrête ça, mais je vais arrêter ça.
Non, c'est bon, ton ça là. Let's go.
Vas-y.
Alright, so.
On commence avec le numéro 5, s'il te plaît.
Bon, attends, on a bien dans l'église, donc number 5.
We're gonna put Fiston Bui. I feel like he's really came on the scene and he's really put the Muluba stuff like.
Yenda saka do sala iluba.
Ale watu wa mizambe. Bana babudo batu gaza daga.
Ya kora baba ka shaka siro ko shoko.
Continue speak.
Like he's young, and he's really doing.
Yeah, he's doing his things.
Yenda bana ko roto.
Calme.
Alright, number 4.
Number 4, we're gonna put. I think I'm gonna put. That.
No, don't
Well,
say
sorry,
I'm. It's a team. It's a team.
Sorry.
But tu connais combien de temps? We didn't think about it.
Yo pena.
Number 4, I'm gonna put Olivier Calabassi. I'm gonna put Olivier Calabassi.
Ayeba nzemo nini?
I'm gonna put Olivier Calabassi.
No, he's good.
What song did he sing?
We don't really. Let me tell you.
He's done a lot.
We don't know. We don't. Let me tell you.
Sing one.
We know he does like worship rooms and stuff, and that.
Yeah, is he like Patrice Ngo?
No.
Name one. Sing one.
Pasteur akoti mokili.
Olivier Calabassi.
Sing one.
Lelo ya Lelo. That's the song, innit?
Let me Google it. Hold on.
You're on his thing already.
Is it the song?
Lelo is a Lelo.
Lelo's a Lelo.
Sing it.
But
Tout va bien. That's another song
how
as
does the
well.
song go?
I can't tell you, bro.
I
I know one of Pastor, but I'm
Alright,
oldie.
number 3.
Number 3.
Kokoye badaka boy.
Alright, we put number 3. We put down Mike Kalambai.
Alright, cool.
He's always
boxer,
popping.
boxer.
Every wedding, you're gonna hear Mike
l'émission
Kalambai.
Jackie Chan, Priscilla. Non, avec maman, moi j'aime pas les gens qui tapent les mamans.
Yes.
But
we don't condone
when
violence.
we talk about his craft,
Yeah, he's doing his thing.
he's done
But
his thing.
Lazy boy, yeah.
Mama.
Listen, that's a beautiful
He's
song.
got bangers.
tape les femmes, man.
Number 2, we put Donny
Allez,
Mwanza.
Yemba.
I don't know anyone. I've seen every single TikTok, whether it's a TikTok, whether it's a Vine. My man's
He's
sound
done
is
his thing.
everywhere.
Congo, beta d'abord là. Congo.
Alright, cool. Can I ask you guys a question? Just a question. Sorry, other team. Just a question. You guys put Donny Mwanza as number 2, yeah? Name me an actual gospel song that he done.
Yembili Yesu, Yembili RDC.
No, name me another gospel song that he's done.
I don't know most of his
On
gospel
dirait
songs, but from that particular song,
What gospel song? Because he's a gospel artist. So what gospel song has he done? From the top of your head, don't research it. I want to know because you put him as number 2, so for sure you have to know what.
I only put him as number 2 just because of how.
Yeah, it was all on him.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's all on him.
When you
Yeah,
say
that was
that
that
part, it makes sense because obviously it's a song that everyone knows.
Are you on their team or are you on that team?
Ah, non, le baka vérité.
She wants to back us, she can back us.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Number 1.
Number 1, I'm gonna put down. Sorry, I don't know why I keep doing
Toi,
that.
nous, on selfish. Moi, on a pasteur selfish, makasi boy.
Sorry, I get it from
Ça
my
veut dire quoi
dad.
ça?
I get it from my father. Sorry.
Well, the father as a pastor?
Papa pasteur a selfish.
My dad. Oh merde. I love you, dad. I love you, dad.
Ça, vraiment, ce sont les.
I love you, dad. I
S'il
love
va
you.
que je parle en français là, parce qu'il a son déconné, hein. Il a déconné, lui, hein.
Attendez, oh.
C'est très impolite.
Number 1. Number 3 was Olivia Kalabasi. Number 1, we're going with Deborah Lubaki.
Yeah.
Because
Deborah Nani?
Deborah Lukalu.
Thank
Sorry.
you.
She also incorporates English lyrics. Like she does everything. She's a hit and miss, but I can't lie, she's making numbers.
And we love women.
Millions on every single
With
YouTube
others.
video.
With others.
All right,
By
cool.
herself.
All right, left team. Let's go.
Okay.
Number
Yeah, number 5.
We went with Don I can't.
Donny Mwanza.
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Because he just came out of nowhere, innit? But like
Number 4.
he's the famous one. Olivier Kalabasi.
Cool.
I feel like he's the Fali of gospel music.
Definitely.
He definitely takes one.
Bon, copier biso, yo za muyibi, yo muta content, un voleur, toi, hein?
Definitely.
Anyways.
With the 7, everything. If you want your wedding to pop, just play him. You're going to.
Yeah. He's got Lelo Zalelo Nazaye Zambi.
It's got a mixture.
MM. Get me? That's Moins B.
Yeah.
Aleli Sanga na Losambo. Ah.
Olela.
Que batamanso, ba païen, ba andenga. Yo, on est là, yo. Tu appelleras en quelle langue? En français ou en anglais?
Number 2.
This one, number 2 is Fisambui. I've got to give it to him. He is amazing. He's amazing, man. I got to give it to, like, he is top. His voice is different. He's unique. He's got it. Number 1 for us is Michel Bakenda. Papa Nangana Nwotika.
That's with the young and the old.
The one where he's just like, I can't sing though.
It's okay.
Bona lelo, Osuke wana.
Alright, cool. Alright, cool. Alright.
I only know the legendary ones. Mom, I already know you was playing like my third party.
Babatou Samuel.
Don't worry.
Marie Sam. Bacarlito.
That's what mom was
Okay.
playing.
We're gonna miss that
the
one.
things.
Don't worry, we got you. You have to watch it for another episode. You have to be here for the next episode where we're gonna be talking strictly the legends. The legends. But hakuna Mungu kama wewe. Hakuna Mungu kama wewe. Hakuna Mungu kama wewe. Hakuna Mungu kama wewe. All right, cool. When we're going to be talking about legendary artists, gospel artists, yeah, these are the people that, you know, when you was a flower girl, for better, you know, ocha boy, ocha pe, okota, odin, o matlang, you see? Listen, when I'm telling you, being a flower girl, you had to dance them songs there. We're going to talk about the legendary gospel artists, but today we're talking about the gospel artists that are trend-setting in this day. Yes, we know they are still making artists, but that's the other time. We're talking about this time. And we're going to leave that there. Come on, now I talk about it again. So, my top list. Number 5, I'm going to go with Deborah. 100%. As you mentioned, she makes songs in English. She also makes songs in
Never heard of her before,
in
you know.
Lingala, in Swahili. She was also in Majabu.
Really?
She was in Majabu.
What did she win?
No, she was a judge, babes. She was
But
a
there's
judge.
one that done hallelujah.
Eza yete ya.
So, Deborah is my number 5. My number 4 has to go to Sandra Mbui.
Oh, she was on
ama-
the list.
Well, wait.
I've never heard of her.
No, Sandra is lit, you know.
She's lit, but she's a hit or miss. She's a hit or miss. Like,
She is. No, Sandra.
she's lit though.
Wait,
She's
wait,
lit.
hold on.
She'll take you to God, seriously.
Wait, hold on. I've got a song in my head. Ne me cherchez plus là-bas. Dieu a changé mon adresse. Là, il m'a caté. Mais it is a song. Are you alright? Yo, moi la pasteur, yo, la femme, moi la pasteur.
That film one
But,
of yeah.
I don't sing. I present, and that's why I'm the baddest presenter. Always book them busy. Book them busy. So anyway, like I was saying, Sandra is my number 4. My number 3 has to go to Rosny. Rosny, mon meilleur ami. Rosny, ma meilleure amie.
She's more of a YouTube babe. Like she takes
She
me to
is,
sleep.
but she is a gospel artist as well.
No, I mean,
we're
like,
not gonna dispute the fact that she's a gospel artist. She also recently put out a song called Nazobon de la Yo, and that song is absolutely beautiful. She's my number 3. She is absolutely amazing. She was put under the wing of Sandra as well. Sandra took her, and Sandra has molded her to be the amazing gospel artist that she is today. Number 2 has to go to Fiston Bouy. Fiston Bouy, Jésus m'a surpris. Listen, he's amazing. He's amazing. Number 2 is a Fiston, definitely. And number 1 has to always go to Michelle Bakenda.
Nani?
Michelle Bakenda.
Ayemba.
Yeah. Listen, Michelle does so much things for Congo. He does so many concerts as well. Like the thing, even the outreach that he does, he is a definition of a Congolese artist, a Congolese gospel artist. In fact, his adoration, you know when he's doing his adoration, yeah? Like everything from his heart is what he's saying. Everything from his heart is what he's saying. And I love it. You can't not give it to Mr. Espace. As I talk about espace, pardon, Mando, qui peut passer un espace, centre esprit au coconut, au binotin et pardon.
Femme de caractère, oui, c'est bon.
Pardon.
Comment ça va bouiller? Bah, c'est un
Listen.
esprit.
So you guys' top 5, I did like it. There's one that you guys mentioned, and I haven't heard of him, but that's because Olivier, the Fally person that you.
Hey, Joanna Abina Lobaka. Anena Yesu. Hello. Yo,
Hold on, bro. Gerard, you're gonna back me on this. I swear he was a bassist for René Leroy.
Yeah, he came.
Et René Leroy,
Yeah,
passe
like-
plus à mon passage.
The greats, they taught him. He's
This
here.
is the
Like.
thing. Do you know what? Do you know what I love? Yeah, is all of these artists now have all come from the houses of the great people that we'll be talking about on another day. So let's think about it. All right, cool. So, guys, so where are we gonna put Moise? Are we putting him as number 4 or 5? Number 4.
Number 4.
Number
Tango
4.
na ye. Aloko la
That's
gaso.
Only Tango na
Na tango na ye.
Listen, all right, cool. All right, cool. So Moise definitely okay. I see you guys. I missed that one. I definitely did miss that one. Number 5. What are we putting as number 5? My number 5 was Deborah.
Oh, my camarade,
No, that's
I'll put her number 1 just because of what I've said about how she's
Yeah, she's moving her way in.
She's the prime man.
Swahili, English, Lingala.
Okay, do you know what? There, I can actually agree with Deborah. For me personally, I feel like Deborah is a hit and miss because there's some songs where I'm like, but there's some songs I'm like, yeah, take me, Jesus, you know? But I'll put her there.
all right. So if we put Deborah as number 5, Moise as number 4, Rosny as number 3, is everyone agreeing that Rosny deserves
Yeah,
number 3?
I would.
What about Emmanuel Musongo? Hirasoki toko lingana ya solo. Toko mona ke mona ya we.
Yeah, I know. One song, bro. One song, yeah. Yeah, I'm sorry.
One song.
Yeah,
I
that's
say it
it.
don't matter, bro.
So
know
if
what I
we,
mean?
so we're sticking to number 5, Deborah.
When you slap, you
number
slap.
4, Moise.
Yeah.
Number 3, Rosny. Everyone
Okay.
okay with that?
I guess.
Everyone okay? Have a choice. Universal.
Yeah.
Bolingo, I'm not gonna lie. On a face about open about yoka adoration te me oprouvenga rongo yoka pena adoration makasi.
That's quite feeling. That's quite feeling.
First
That's
adoration,
true.
ça dans
C'est- ça, c'est- ça, c'est très important. C'est très facultatif. C'est ce que tu as dit là, ouais. C'est vraiment important.
All right, number 3, we're sticking to Rosny. Number 2, we've got Fiston Bouy. Everyone okay with that? And number 1, we're sticking to Espacie. All right, cool. If you guys don't know about Michelle, yeah, I implore you to please go and look at his song. He's got one song called, what's it called? Cinquième quelque chose. Purée, j'ai oublié.
Semkem Junanga.
Cinquième jour nanga.
Yeah.
Absolutely beautiful.
Love
With
that.
his brother Paul as well.
Yeah, Paul
Alors,
Bakenda.
rappelle Chulu by
Proper.
Kitoko. He's also got another version of Tonga Etana, of his own one, which is absolutely amazing as well. He also does like another thing on YouTube where he invites other gospel artists to sing along with him. You can also listen to, there was a song that you were singing, Carmen, which is one that he does on that show.
Yeah.
He done one with a guy called Isaïe Dombe, who done a take on Mike Kalembai's song Liziba. Like, it is an amazing, Michelle Bakenda is definitely number 1 for so many reasons. If you haven't heard of him, go check him out. So our top 5 current gospel artists are, as we have said, number 5 goes to Deborah, number 4 is Moise, number 3 is Rosny, 2 is Fiston, number 1 is Michelle Bakenda. Guys, this is our top 5. C'est la liste pour our gospel artists of today. We want to know, do you agree? Do you not agree? Again, we're going to come back. You know, you guys have to wait around a little while. Come back for season 2. when we're gonna turn up the volume. Maybe déjà bazui kanda centre esprit ezaki tellement lelo mais to benga centre esprit the other time et kitsa batu tema pour la monique la prochaine fois moto ekopela when we're gonna be talking about who should be the top 5 legendary gospel artists. Guys, I am Sylvia K. You have tuned in with our amazing panelists. This is La Lista Top 5. We have spoken about our gospel artists. We want to know in the comments, like, comment and subscribe. Let us know your videos. Let us know where we went wrong. Who should we have picked? Who should we have taken out? Who shouldn't have been on the list? Point blank, period. We want to know your opinion. Have a good evening. Have a good day. Have a good afternoon. We'll see you guys next time.